Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of making this Infinity Me and You, or You and Me. And I had this happen to me tonight, so I thought I would share it just so if it ever happens to you, you'll know what's going on. We've completed our drawing, but we take the Smart Fill tool to fill it in, and it only fills in half of it. The only thing that really stops the Smart Fill tool is a line. So if we draw a line there and we fill it in with the Smart Fill tool, the line is going to stop the Smart Fill tool. Now, I knew immediately what was going on, but if you ever have this scenario and it doesn't matter what it is, you're not particularly working on this You and Me, it's because this clip art is down into your new drawing. So let's get the yellow box trick and put it to the back of the page, and you can see that white box around your clip art is into your product or into your new drawing. So it's going to stop it. So to to eliminate that is just to take your clip art and get it out of the way. Now let's zoom in and Smart Fill tool, and the whole thing will Smart Fill. Then just take your Smart Fill away and use that. Left click, right click, and you got a good, crisp, transparent hairline drawing. Anyway, so be aware that your clip art is, out of the way. It could be over here, and see how it's got that white box, so it'll cause a problem. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.